Welcome to Mark Media. Welcome to my story time. With me, we have the dinosaur book. How dinosaurs rescue dogs. Today we have a special gift with us. The Dinosaur Brothers. T-Rexo, Chop Chop. It's going to be a fun time. Let's begin. Welcome to T-Rexo.
Hi. Thank you for inviting me to your story time. I'm so excited. This is going to be super fun. Story time.
You're so funny.
With Marek Jr.
You're so funny.
Oh, thank you. That is such a compliment, and I love it.
Did you copy me?
I not copy you. Who said I copy you? Who said that? I don't copy you. You're reading a dinosaur book today. That's so exciting. That's so exciting. I can't wait to read the book. And it's called How Do Dinosaurs Love Their Dogs?
The dinosaur loves elephants.
Elephants? We're not reading that book today, silly Billy. You're so silly. Okay, I will be the storyteller today, so let me begin by reading a book. Wait a minute, you didn't. Wait a minute, let me hold on, let me introduce myself too. I am Chop Chop. I'm T-Rexo's brother. And I'm so excited for the story today. With Marek Jr. Hi, buddy. How are you today? Are you good? Oh, super duper. Okay.
You are so loud.
I am very loud, dinosaur. Yes, that is true. Okay, let me sit back while my brother reads the book about how do dinosaurs love their doggies.
Elephants.
You're silly. How does a dinosaur keep his dog clean? Does he scrub it too hard? Does he act really mean? Oh, look at that dinosaur giving him a bath. Oh, that's such a cute doggy. Here, boy. Does he often forget to leave food in its bowl? Does he dig up the bones from the dog's hiding hole? That dinosaur looks funny. Look at, he's on a bike. Does he never remember to take it outside? Does he jump on its back for a piggyback ride? That's so hilarious. He's too big to jump on the doggy's back for a piggyback ride. This book is so funny. Oh my goodness.
Is that so funny?
It's hilarious. Look at those dinosaurs. No, a dinosaur washes his dog in the tub with some soft, gentle soap and a soft, careful rub. He feeds it and walks it each day without fail. Oh, look at those dinosaurs. They're treating their doggies really, really, really well. I like the doggy in the tub. He's so cute. I just want to take him home. Bushy, bushy, bushy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Okay, let's turn the page. And gives it a stroke from its head to its tail. He throws it a stick or a bone or a ball and rewards it whenever it comes to his call. Oh, what a good doggy. He's playing fetch with the stick, see? Oh, come here, boy. Come here, boy. I can't whistle too well. Sorry about that. He loves his dear doggy and does every chore. Pet it now, bow wow wow. Good dinosaur. Oh, this was a wonderful book. Hey brother, did you like this book too?
Yeah.
How about Marek, did you like this book? I like this book. It's very funny. It's about dinosaurs. They are the best. Haven't you heard? Just like me. Yes, because I'm a dinosaur. I'm a T-Rex. Well, that was a very, very interesting book. Hey, brother, tell me, how much did you love the book?
36.
It was good, huh? Do you want that doggy in the book? I want that doggy in the book. I think I'm gonna go to the pet store today on my way home and I'm gonna buy me a brown dog that looks just like the one in the book right there. And I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna teach it how to play fetch. Yeah.
Play fetch too. I'm play fetch too.
You wanna play fetch too?
Yeah.
Like a doggy?
Yeah.
Okay, here doggy, doggy, doggy. Here doggy, doggy.
Thank you, T-Rexo.
Oh, you're so welcome. Thank you for having me on your show today. It was a pleasure.
No. Yum-yums.
Yum-yums? You got treats for me for coming on your show? Oh, well, that's so nice of you. Did you get me a cheese pizza? Because you already know that is my favorite. I like extra, 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 extra cheese. Yes, you ordered extra, extra cheese? Okay. I'm excited.
What did you like about the story?
Oh, well, I'll tell you. I liked that it was about dinosaurs, because dinosaurs are awesome. I also liked that there were doggies in there, because I love doggies. And I liked that the dinosaurs took care of their dogs, because it's very important to take care of your pets. And let's see. My teeth? I know. I have to go to the dentist. I had too much cotton candy, and my teeth look bad. So, but I'm gonna go to the dentist soon, and they're gonna fix my teeth up, but that's another story for another time, okay?
No.
But thanks for having me on your show. It was really fun getting to read the book to everyone. Hey, Marek Jr., what was your favorite thing about the story?
The horse crab.
Oh, when he scrubbed the doggy too hard?
Yeah.
When he was taking a bubble bath? That was your favorite part in the book? That was funny, huh? Do you like taking bubble baths?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I like to fill the tub up with lots of bubbles. Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, bye everyone. Thank you for joining us.
Bye. Thank you for joining us.
Till next time.
Next time.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.